welcome to my channel. It's your girl Zama, and I'm back with another video, and I'm excited, y'all, to be showing you guys today how I'm taking pictures for my new merch. Okay, I finally got some merch in the mail. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I've been waiting on merch for a little while. Coronavirus got the post office moving like a little snail. Okay, but stuff has been coming in slowly but surely, so I'm excited about that. And I already started posting on my Instagram the new merchandise because I want my Doms to be excited, just as excited as I am. So in this video, if you read the title, then you know I'll just be showing you guys how I am being creative with just using things around the house, because you know we're locked in the house. So just being creative, getting these pictures done, good lighting, using my lighting. I showed you guys my whole room setup business room setup that I use to for my shipping and storing all my products, and where I do all my filming for YouTube. I showed you guys all of that in my last video, so you guys can go check it out because I need them views. Okay, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of more videos to come. I'm an upcoming business owner. Okay, I've been in business for about 2 months now, going on 3. And I'm learning every day doing this business. I love doing it. Like, I'm really happy that I started it, because I don't want to say it gives me purpose, but it just gives me more. Like, when I wake up in the morning, it's like, what am I doing today towards my business? You know, you feel more bossed up. Like, you know, I'm bossy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just so excited about Underneath It All. I'm so happy that I finally started this business. You know, like I told you guys, I had a business before, had a couple of businesses, and I just never saw them all the way through, even though I've seen success in a lot of these things, just like I'm seeing success with Underneath It All. But the challenge is stay consistent and stick it all the way through until you hit your goal, which is to be what? Millions of dollars. Okay, houses, cars. You want to be able to pay all your bills, be able to travel, be able to help take care of some of your family members, be able to help take care of, you know, people you don't know. Like, you just want to be well off. You know what I'm saying? So that's the goal for Underneath It All, is just to diamonds, stick it all the way through. See how far you can go with this. You know you're a very smart person, because I am, period. You guys checking out my 2 ponytails. If you guys watch my other videos, you guys know I cut my hair. You know, quarantine got you doing some crazy things, and I'm happy I finally cut these ends, because boy, I was having some split ends. But let's get back to the video. This is some clips of me showing you guys how I'm taking my pictures. I'm gonna post video. I'm gonna post I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna post the pictures that I took so you guys can see. I should post them how they look before, and then how they looked after I edited them, so you guys can see the difference, so you guys know how important editing is, and you guys don't skip that step, because the filter on Instagram is not enough. Like, you need to edit. I don't even use Instagram filters. You know, Facetune all day, period. So yeah, guys, I just want you guys to subscribe to my channel, become one of my Doms, okay? And I have lots more videos to come. Stay tuned. Y'all like. So guys, I'm just here using the bed part of my office. I showed you guys my whole office in my last video, so you guys can check that out if anything. So right now, here is my green screen. I have it here. This is one of my new underwear. God bless this meal. As you guys can see, it's nice. It stretches. This is a size medium for all my thick ones out there, you know. And it's just so cute. I had these 2 plants right here. They're so cute. Some plants that I just been growing because I'm just popping like that. So, you know, I had the green screen here, and I said, oh wow, like, let me get these 2 plants, you know, green, and just make, you know, look, let's just have a moment. Bling, bling, bling. You know, it's just a moment. You know, it's all about, they say pictures take your product a long way, you know what I'm saying? So good photos, we all know how important it is, and you gotta be creative. That's like the number one thing. Creative. Like, come on, you guys know you love my little CBD flowers. So here's one of my other underwear. This is a new style that just came in, and I'm gonna open it right now. They come in these little cute little packages. Ooh. Let me try to hold the camera. Let me let this hold the camera so I can show you guys. So I'm just here opening. These are chill. Y'all know those Netflix and chill undies you guys are always seeing all over Instagram with the girl with the fat old booty, and it says, yeah, let's chill. So these are them. I had to get these because these are so dope, so dope, so dope. Netflix, it's chill, baby. Oops, one of my plants fell. Get that out of here. No dirt. So yeah, so I have chill. So I just decided maybe let's try, the same concept here. Chill, we still have red. Red is match. So yeah, I have chill here. So I decided to just like keep the same concept, keep the theme going for the new ones that's coming in. And bam, we're gonna take some pictures. Boom. 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 You know? So guys, I'm just here being extra creative and forgetting that I'm filming a whole video. So here's another style I came up with. I got the plans. This is a shirt I just had from my house. Look what I did. It's a cute little Caribbean vibe, Bob Marley style. You don't know the Caribbean way. I made it all cute. I'm gonna insert the pictures that I took. Like I said, just use what you have in your house and be creative. You guys know you like these pictures because they're dope. You are a baby underneath it all, period. Hey guys, so here I am being creative again, forgetting to film because I was so creative. Like, oh my God. So yeah, guys, I came up with an awesome idea. I said, how about I lay out all of my style of underwear? Because I just thought, like, if I was strolling on Instagram and I saw a picture with all of these hot, sexy underwear with all these fun words on it, playful words, but still cute, keeping it cute. I would automatically want to, like, take a look at all of them and pick my favorite. Like, oh, I love this one. I like this one. I like that one. So I figured this would be an awesome picture for the gram. So this is what I came up with, guys. Like I told you guys, just be creative. Think of things, whether somebody's gonna be like, oh, it's like a version down there, it's hot, we chill, Netflix chill, I'm a chill, I'm open for business, or you a sexy lady, what you got, and God is always blessing that meal, period. You hot, you take control, you the orgasm donor, or are you the hot wife, or are you just naked and ready to do it? Like, it's just fun. So I decided to take a cool pic like this, and I know when I do post it, it's gonna go crazy. So guys, please comment below your favorite, like, what is your favorite underwear from underneath it all right now for this collection? Like, let me know, comment below, period. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the photos so you guys can see how the pictures came out, because they came out cute. Okay. Hey guys, so here I just want to show you guys some fun TikTok videos, because if you guys don't know, TikTok is really a good way to help promote your business, and I kind of learned that by accident, just by going on TikTok to make fun videos just for my Instagram, and then going back to make more fun videos and realizing I had over 300 views on my videos, 400 views on my videos, likes. People were following my TikTok page. And I did not even know TikTok was so, popular as it is. And I kind of gained followers without even trying to gain followers. I was really making a TikTok just to make fun, creative videos for my page. So I suggest, guys, if you have a business selling whatever you're selling, to make a TikTok page just for your business and make fun videos all surrounding your business. And if they're creative and people like your products, they're going to follow your page, they're going to watch them videos, they're going to share the videos. And these are just a couple of videos that I did. So I'm going to show you guys these are just a couple of my fun TikTok videos. So yeah, TikTok is also a good way to have good content for your Instagram. And as you guys can see in this video, I muted the music playing in the background, but it's really like, the popular songs like the Nasty by Megan Thee Stallion, and all the popular things that's going on Instagram, on TikTok. I basically use those sounds in my videos because that's what's popular. So you want to stay in tune, stay in trend with everything that you do, okay? So like I said, the songs are muted on this YouTube video because I don't want to get fined, or my video taken down because of the music. So that's why you don't hear any music here. But yeah, I have a lot more videos to come, especially after this whole corona epidemic. So I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys seen today. I hope you guys can actually learn something. If you guys have anything that you want to ask Diamond, anything you want me to make a video on, just hit me up. Put your comments below, and let a girl know. Period. And I just want you guys, if you guys are looking forward to starting a business of anything, like of any sort, just listen to me when I say go for it. Do it, okay? You're quarantining right now. You're home every day. Get on Google. Figure out what you need. Figure out how much money you need to get it. And write down the steps to what the goals, so you can get to where you need to be. Because trust me, you can do it, okay? Just in September of last year is when I finally had the light bulb to say, let me start underneath it all. Like I said, go follow my Instagram page, u.i.a by Diamond. That's my Instagram page for my business. Follow it. And let me know what you guys think about my page, my Instagram page. What you guys think I can do better. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're here to help each other, so you just let me know you guys' opinion on my page and everything, because I'm trying to be as creative as possible, okay? So back in September is when I decided, like, I always knew I wanted to start my own business. I just didn't know exactly what it was I wanted to do. But back in November, I finally, like, it finally hit me, like, girl, this is what you need to be doing. And from that point on, I did nothing but research. I wrote everything down. I told myself by January I was going to start this business. By January 16th, 2020, I was in business. Like, I had all my merch, labels, everything I needed to start this business was ready January 16th. I was kind of mad because it wasn't ready January 1st like I planned. I got delayed a little bit. But look, we here. We in April now, and I'm here, and I'm in business. I done made sales. So can you imagine, like, when I keep it going? Now I got a YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, get up and get it done. That's all I gotta say, okay? That's all I gotta say. So I want to say shout out to y'all. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe. Tell a friend about Diamond, because Diamond is here. And like I tell you guys all the time, I want you guys to grow with me, okay? You guys are seeing me from the bottom. Next year this time, God spare our lives and we all get through this corona. Next year this time, I want y'all on my page like, Diamond, you did that. Period. Later, now.
lonely. Now I'm sitting here stuck like a